Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of youth. The time between childhood and adulthood. For example, he had been a keen sportsman in his youth. The second definition of youth. A young man. For example, he was attacked by a gang of youths. American pronunciation. Youth. Youth. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Youth. Say. Youth. Youth means period between childhood and adult age. Youth. Youth. Youth origin. Old English Geogath, Germanic origin, related also to Dutch Jugend and German Jugend. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He describes Patton's childhood, youth, and middle age fairly well. Now, repeat after me. He describes Patton's childhood, youth, and middle age fairly well. The second practice. Minority youth are the most enthusiastic and prolific readers of all. Now, repeat after me. Minority youth are the most enthusiastic and prolific readers of all. Visual representation of youth. Youth means the time between childhood and adulthood.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.